Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. So today we will continue our lab operation for the lab experiment 6 by using Dynisco for make flow rate study or experiment. So today what we have here is a polymer, namely is a polyethylene, right? PE is a black color or bead in a bead condition, in a bead type. Alright, so this is a PE, polyethylene. Alright, so before anyone can handling or operate this machine, please make sure you switch on this equipment first and you set the time first. I'm sorry, you set the temperature first. Alright, so as we can refer to the lab manual, we will use 190 degree and also 230 degrees Celsius. So means here the temperature used for this instrument is very hot. So in order to operate this instrument, we need to use the heavy duty glove, not use latex glove. Alright, so please use this glove rather than this glove. Alright, so use this glove since we operate with a high temperature. Okay, so today I will teach you how to operate by using the load. Here we have is a 2.060 gram or equivalent to 2.160 kilogram. So here is a 2060 or 2.060 gram. So how we can get 2.16 kilogram? So by using this rod or steel rod. Alright, so this is a 100 gram, so this is a 2.06 gram. So total we can get 2.16 kilogram. Alright, so everything is prepared. So please make sure, as you can see from your lab manual, we need to measure the weight of polymer for each polymer that we need to test. Alright, so in this work, in this experiment, we will use PE as our material in order to check the MFR indexes. Alright, so PE we need to measure around 5 gram only. Alright, so done. This is our sample, and this is our rod, steel rod. Alright, so how to set the parameter? So there is a display here. Alright, okay, so click here. This is a 3 line. There is a setting. Alright, there is a setting. Okay, this 3 line, and make sure you change the name of your sample. Let's say today we will use PE as our test material. So set PE, then click right icon. Okay, done. So test method, leave to A, and the temperature set point is a 190. Let's say you want to change to 230 or and above, you simply can change by put the number of the temperature, then click OK. So we will use 190 Celsius. Okay, so melt time, which is melting time for the temperature. So where we no need to cut in order to check the MFI index of make flow. For this polymer, we set first to any second that you want. Alright, depends on the material itself. So the melt time we use is for this material is a 240 seconds. So you can change easily. Let's say you want to make it into 3 minutes, then you can simply put 300 seconds. So make sure this is in second, not in minutes. Alright, so okay, alright, so 240, then click this arrow and make sure we will use this load weight with the 2.06 and plus with the 100 gram of rod equals to 2.16 kilo. As you can see here, the load is a 2.16 kilo. Alright, let's say you want to change with other load with a different weight. Simply you can put or simply you can change the number. So today we will use 2.16 sorry, 2.160 kilogram, then okay. Alright, so number of cut. So in order to check the MFR value for each cut, so we set into for this online experiment operation work, we set into a 2 number of cuts. So you can change into a 5 or maybe change into a 10 and other value. Alright, then cut time for each melt flow, for each melt of the polymer, you easily can change the cut time. Like say you want to put 2 minutes equivalent to 120 seconds, and so in this work we will use 60 seconds only. Alright, then set. Okay, so everything, please check again your load, your number of cut time, and then what else, your program name is your sample, then leave it the test method to A, and temperature set point is 190 degrees Celsius and melting time is a 240. Then click this play icon. Okay, so now that the current temperature for this instrument is 190, is ready to operate. Okay, so before we can start measure the MFR or MFI for this polymer, please make sure this tube is cleaned up. How to clean this tube? A piece of fabric we use here in our lab. Alright, just put here at the top of this instrument. Okay, by using this type of steel rod. Okay, this one. Clean up everything. Make sure this tube is clean without any previous sample or any previous material. So this is how it look like. Okay, so there is a left of previous sample. So also you can use brush. Okay, so there is a brush tube, there is a brush rod, then you clean up inside the tube. Okay, then there is nothing left at the rod. Okay, how to check it's really clean, the tube is clean? Just put this mirror, you can see the whole of the tube is clean. Alright, okay, so done. Now we put our piston. This is a piston. Okay, small bearing piston. Okay, so you put on top of this instrument. Then by using this type of rod, and you push the piston inside the tube. Make sure until bottom of this tube. Okay, alright, tightly. So done everything. Now we can put our sample. So how to put our sample? We use this hose. Okay, this is a hose in order to put our sample. Slowly